Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maths with Preeti Chhabra. Today we are discussing estimation by round off. Okay, what is estimation? Let's first understand with an example. Okay, suppose you are arranging a party where you have invited 30 of your friends. It's not necessary that 30 friends will turn up, but you are sure that 20 friends are definitely coming. About the remaining 10 you have no idea. Then what your mother can do, she will prepare a feast for 25 friends. This is estimation or approximation. Let's take another example. Some minister has planted a trees, 300 number of trees, around 300 number of trees. But what does it mean? Is the value exact 300? It could be 285 or it could be 311. But he has given an approximate value 300. This is estimation or approximation. Okay, let us define estimation. Estimation is approximating a quantity to required accuracy. Okay, required accuracy. I can round off or find the estimation nearest to 10 or 100 or 1000. Okay, let's see how it is done. I am taking three numbers 46, 242 and 2475. I want to round off to the nearest 10. Let us first take 46. First step is to find the two multiples of 10 between which 46 will lie. I know that 46 lie between 50 and 40. But how will you decide whether you are going to round up to 50 or round down to 40? Okay. See this number on ones place. It's 6. Always keep in mind, if this number is among 1, 2, 3 and 4, then this number will be round down to 40. But if the number is between 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, then you have to round up to 50. Since the number is 6, so this 46 will be round up to number 50. Let's take another example, 242. The multiples of 10 between which 240 will lie is 250 and 240. Again, how will you decide that it will be round up to 250 or round down to 240? You have to see this number on units place. Since the number is 2, so it will be round down to 240. So in this case, my answer will be 240. Again, see this number 2475. What are the two multiples of 10 between which this number will lie? It is 2470 and 2480. Again, you have to see this number 5. So it will again be round up to 2480. This is round off to nearest 10. What if we have to round off to nearest 100? Let's take three more examples. I am taking number 73, 729 and 7589. Okay. Now we have to round off to nearest 100. So we have to find two numbers, two multiples of 100 between which 73 will lie. It's clearly visible that 73 is near to 100 because there is no multiple of 100 less than 73. So it will be 100. What if the number is 729? What are the two multiples of 100 between which 729 will lie? It will be 700 and 800. Now since you have to round off to the nearest 100, so this is the hundreds place. You have to look for this number. Since it is 2, so it will be round down to 700. So this will be the answer. Okay. Now see this number. It is 7589. What are the multiples of 100? Seven 500 and 7600. Again you have to round off to the nearest 100. This is the hundreds place. You have to look for this tens place. Since it is 8, so this number will be round up to 7600. Let's take 3 examples where we have to round off to the nearest 1000. I am taking number 425, 2524 and 7429. Okay. There is no multiple of 1000 less than 425. So it will be round off to 1000. Okay, because the only multiple of 1000 near to 425 is 1000. So answer will be 1000. Let's take this example 2524. So what are the two multiples of 1000 between which this number lie? This is the thousands place. So it will lie between 2000 and 3000. Again you have to look for this place, hundreds place. If you have to round off to the nearest 1000, you have to look for the hundreds place, or you have to see the number just right to the thousands place. It's 5. Since it's 5, so it will be round up to number 3000. Okay. What about this number 7429? Can you guess the answer? Let's see. Okay, this is the thousands place. What are the two multiples of 1000 between which this number lie? It's 7000 and 8000. What you have to look for? You have to look for this number. Just write to 7. It's 4, so it will be round down to number 7000. Like this you have to do all the problems where you have to round off to the given number. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Bye.